How do you start about going about sucking the pussy?
You let the clitoris first.
Yes.
Then you go down.
Oh.
Go down where?
Where?
Center. Or the pumani.
Yes. And how do you go about it?
No, can one girl come then you.
No, no. What I am saying, you know. What I am saying is that we're advertising you out there to the public. No, we are putting your world. You're gonna be on YouTube. I am now a famous YouTube person.
No, can girl come. If you want to put it on YouTube, can one girl come right after.
Show me the tongue action. This will sell your product. This will sell.
It is right there.
No, this is a man who has seen this man, the tongue god in action. Can you explain? Yeah, tell me about it. Alright, tell me about it. Oh.
You man stand up and you run to grab and pan down the mouth. You man say, hey, Tony! You come with that too. I'm not a
No, explain. Are you known within this region as the best pussy sucker?
The best pussy sucker in a center, man. Number one.
No, this man has said it with so much conviction, people. Worldwide, globally, this is Mr. Can you say your name for me, please?
Original shocking Indian.
What is your name and a number so these girls can reach you?
Alright, my number 868-2509.
And you are?
Original sucker.
Alright, sir. With that information being spread out across the globe, people you can call him white, black, Indian, women, you can call him.
Anytime.
Alright, anytime, any hours, any day.
Any day.
Alright, people. For Channel 2, I am Cavalli Curtis reporting live.